get the best sound out of your saxophone, you're going to put your teeth on top, about ½ an inch onto the mouthpiece. And then your bottom lip is going to roll slightly over your bottom teeth to give the reed just a little bit of cushion. And then you're going to seal your lips and your mouth around the mouthpiece, kind of like a rubber band, so that you have equal pressure all the way around the mouthpiece. After that you have set your embouchure, which is another name for your mouth setting, you'll want to blow an airstream straight into the saxophone, nice and steady, and get that very first sound. And that's your first sound. The next thing we'll talk about is how to pack up your saxophone.